Hey guys, welcome back. And for this video, I'm going to show you how to increase contrast or reduce transparency on iPhone. So first, what you want to do is open up your settings. Once you're there, just scroll down to accessibility. Then go to display and text size, tap on that. And here you will see the option to reduce transparency, where it improves contrast by reducing transparency and blurs on some backgrounds to increase legibility. So you could turn that on. Just tap on the switch button. You could also turn on the increase contrast, which increase color contrast between app foreground and background colors. So when you tap on that, as you can see, you could already see the changes. And that's basically it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.